Hello and welcome to Cash Collect. On how to earn $900 by simply listening to music from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we'll be discussing a unique opportunity to make money online in 2023. If you're someone who loves music and wants to earn extra income, then this is the video for you. We'll be sharing some amazing tips and tricks that will help you get started with this incredible opportunity. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how you can make money online by listening to music in 2023. You may earn $5 by listening to just one song. If you listen to 2 songs, you may expect to earn around $10. Here are 11 tunes for your listening pleasure. Repeatedly, $50 will be paid to you. Also, as you can see, I have made roughly $900 thus far by using this site. Think about how great it would be if you were compensated for listening to music. You should start by visiting pixabay.com. While there, navigate to the site's music option. Just go to pixabay.com/music and look under music if you have any trouble locating it. You'll find here a collection of free, legally permitted music songs for your listening pleasure. This search bar demonstrates how easy it is to find certain musical works, whether you're in the market for a specific artist or song, a particular musical style, or just a mood-appropriate soundtrack. Down here, you'll discover that this page includes tons of songs that you may save to your computer or mobile device. There is no cost involved, and there is no restriction on the quantity of music you may obtain in this manner. The site's purpose will extend beyond passive music consumption, such as listening to or downloading tracks. I'm going to show you a neat approach you can utilize on this site to get consistent income, just like this. Here's evidence that what you're doing is effective. Currently, this individual has made $11 by doing this. This person received $37 in salary today. So far, this one has profited $25. That one made $48 today. And there's a never-ending stream of others who are presently making money utilizing this strategy. If you listen to between 50 and 100 songs per day, you can do the math to see how much money you will make each year if you get payments like this into your bank account every day. If you've never made money online before but are willing to give this strategy a go, you should have no trouble getting started. If you want to follow along, you'll need access to a computer or smartphone. So yeah, there are thousands upon thousands of songs shown here. We won't just grab any random tunes we find here and listen to them. I'm going to share some insider secrets with you that have helped me much in my financial pursuits, and that will do the same for you. The left half of this page is where we need to be. All of this music will be organized into categories for easy access. Electronic peppy beats, gorgeous plays, alternative hip-hop, main title music, ambient, and many more genres will be featured. You may find a wide variety of music on Pixabay Music, each of which has the potential to earn you $5 or more again. If you want to hear the music, all you have to do is come over here and push the play button. After you get to the conclusion of the song and choose whether or not you like it and whether or not you believe other people will like it, you may decide whether or not to share it with the world. Then, go to the next stage of this procedure. It's possible that not everyone will enjoy this music, so if you're not a fan, it's best to go on to another tune. Let's look up some modern hit songs on the internet. I'll pick this genre as an illustration because of how widespread its appeal is and how likely it is that you can start making money immediately with it. Just as previously, let's press the play button and hear a snippet of the music. Just to see whether this is a nice pop song, let me play a few seconds. In my opinion, this is a great song, and I could see myself listening to it again and again. Now, please save this music to your computer by clicking the download option below. We plan on doing this several times. First, listening to all of the songs, then picking out the ones we like the most and saving them to our computers for later. Keep in mind that the more music you consume, both physically and digitally, the more money you stand to make. Thus, I suggest devoting a little more time to this process so that you may listen to these songs and download the ones you enjoy the most. Please proceed to upever.com, the next stage in this process. In exchange for us sharing our music on their free platform, Up-Forever will pay us. You may be wondering what would happen if a large number of individuals simultaneously download the same music and post it to this website. When can we expect payment? One advantage of publishing online is that there are no restrictions on the number of people who may view your work. There are millions of people in the world seeking these kinds of songs, but we probably won't receive our visitors from the same places they do. The webpage explicitly states that it is safe to upload files, and then we either take the money out via the selected payment method or turn it into whatever you choose. When someone downloads your content from their website, they will be presented with advertisements that they may choose to ignore or view. You and our platform will both benefit financially from the ad income generated by your content. I'll give you a concrete illustration of how to increase your income. The sign-up procedure will take you less than a minute because of how straightforward it is. If you already have an account, you can just log in by entering your email and password. Put in your credentials here, and you'll be logged in automatically. To find out how this works, go to the page where it says Earn Money by clicking there. You can see that their prices are the lowest possible anywhere in the world. Payouts will be determined from the table below based on the source of the majority of your downloads. If the majority of your downloads come from Tier 4 nations, for instance, you will receive $3. You can make $4 if you have download from nations in the second and third tiers. In addition, you may earn $7 for every download from the first tier. These are the several options available for cashing out your earnings from this service. You can utilize any of the following options: PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Paysera, or ADV Cash. To put it another way, as soon as you meet their minimal requirement, you can withdraw all of your money. We hope you enjoyed the video. But now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below. And don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn money just by moving a slide bar. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you.